What's up, guys?
Everybody? It is Group Guy VR and
Colp.
yeah, we're gonna be showing you how to get money really easy, but this is definitely not for beginners.
Yes, if
It
you're a
is really
beginner,
hard.
if you're a beginner, don't try this because you might fail. But
We will
guys.
make another video for beginners together.
yeah,
So first, what you
so
want to do
what you guys-
is you would want anything that can mine. You want
yep,
anything that you can move around quickly, grappler or hoverboard, which I prefer grappler. Any type of bag, which I prefer board. And the thing you absolutely need is a teleport grenade.
yeah. If you don't have a teleport grenade, you're kind of cooked.
So if you come over here, I'm waiting here for Colp.
Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to come over to this area right here.
So if you used to go over that area over there is patched up. So now what you want to do is go over here to where this do not enter sign is, and then come to right here in
Yep.
this tree. Then
And then right
Like
the
this
street,
little
there's a
crevice
little
right here?
hole.
activate your
you're
teleport
gonna wanna-
grenade and put it down. Just so you know, if you just started the game, teleport grenades are really easy to get. They're like the second one after the glow stick, I think.
Yeah, they're really easy.
Also, if you're failing for the gems, even though I would say for a beginner don't really do this, but the ores down here give you gems, company
Dude,
coins.
we forgot to mention, at the end of the video, we will be giving one full bag of the super rare gems to a random lobby.
Yes. Okay, ready to hop down?
Yep.
Bro, you just went right to it.
Whoopsies.
You might be landing right on top of the heart. Oh yeah, so everybody, there's a heart right here, and you do not want to be. Well, that sucks you up. So when you're finished with your run, you can do that. He's already gonna be dead. Did you survive? So these the eye things, they have missiles following around them.
I died, bro.
When you died?
Yeah, I'm kind of trash.
So when you're marked for too long from the eye
Coming back.
send missiles at you, and they can the missiles can easily kill you. So what you want to do is when you get the laser on you, like you want to get out of the way from the laser. Oh yeah, also subscribe to Colp. He's struggling to get some subscribers, so if you want, subscribe to him. Okay. Oh, I'm marked. Hold on. This is a very dangerous place to be. You coming down?
Yeah.
Okay, one of the things you can do also if you have a grappler, if you didn't know this, when you put it on and put it in your pocket, it stays there. So you can also, if they're stuck there, just go like that, and boom. Again? Oh my god.
Not dead.
You didn't die?
Yep, I'm not dead.
Okay. And then I'm marked, hold on. you die? I think he died. Did you die again?
No, I'm good.
Okay. So you get company coins. And more right here. Are they on you right now? So yeah, these are really... No, my pickaxe! So yeah, when your stuff falls in the lava, they start to sink. Which my pickaxe didn't start.
Let's just not make a video.
I'll make one. Okay, I will tell you. I will show you his channel, but he's not gonna post right now because, no offense to him, but he's kind of bad at this. I'm coming up.
Okay.
So these are really, really expensive, but they are really, really heavy. That's the trade-off. This is just taking a while, sorry. So yeah, when you're really heavy, it takes a long time. So what you want to do when you're done, you just want to go up here into the heart. And this will send you back up here. And when I'm back, when you're up here, just jump down and boom. Where are you? Oh, I see you. Okay. So these are what they look like. I think you might have already saw when I was mining them. We will sell one of these, and then we'll give the rest of this to a lucky random person in a random lobby. So, this is crazy. They sell for a lot for just one also. So yeah, around 640 you get. I might have already said this, so I kind of forget, but Colp is not making a video right now because he's just a little bit bad at this technique. So but still go subscribe to him. I'll put his YouTube channel up and after this video. So
Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, please.
yes, do it. We're trying to get him at least to 50. Okay, join. Hi. How? Okay.
How?
Wait, we're
There's
friended.
no way.
We're friended, right?
I don't know.
Add friend. Okay, I just sent you a.
Okay, I added you.
Okay,
Okay, wait.
join me.
That are weapons.
Oh yeah, can I have two? Somebody took one. I was just praying. No.
Drew, I'm here.
Does
Drew.
anybody have
Okay,
a
okay,
blue
I'm
bag?
shooting you.
Can I have that blue bag?
You can have my bag, but it has a bunch of stuff in it. You want it?
Okay. I can buy a cross.
Who,
I want
guys, does anybody want a bag filled with the
Now the mace
orange
back.
gems?
Can I just get a mace?
Take it.
Can I?
They sell for
can
like
I just get
600
the
each
mace
if you didn't
now?
know.
Hi. Oh my freaking god, I can't.
Yeah.
I need a rocket ammo. I need a
Can I
rocket.
get a mace? Can I get a mace? Because he took mine.
Guys, I got full ammo. I got you, bro. I can't move.
That will be the end. Goodbye.